show you a Nerf war. Two of our twins again, the clones, fighting about this dog. Yeah,
We rescued him.
from those two. So the girl owns this dog. The boy again tried to steal it. It's always the boy's fault.
He's so cute.
And I know, why won't they just share the dog, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
He's
so
so cute.
let's show you the story in 3, 2, 1, go! My dog. My mom just bought me this dog. Hope nobody steals him from me. Hey, no! What are you doing?
I want that dog.
You're just gonna break him apart.
I want that dog.
Oh.
Come on. Let's go leave this house. Stay in the cage.
Know what? Hey! Let's just settle this with the Nerf war, you know?
Okay, I'll settle this with Nerf. Your dog is here beside me.
Okay, so let's just go.
Say something, doggy. I need to kill her. He's gonna die. I'm done, babies. She's gonna die.
Okay, guys. He's such a stealer. Yeah, I'm ready. Boing. Upgradation done. Rebel done.
It's Nerf war time.
What? Hey, who are you? Oh, wait. Aren't you the guy who just got my puppy dog?
Yeah?
Hey! Man, people. Oh my gosh. Let me just get some.
That girl. Where is she now? He can't get my dog.
Just got hit once. If he gets hit 3 times, he's gonna be dead and like toasted bread. Halt! Okay, why must you be here? Hey!
Wait.
Hey! Maybe we go here and it's safer.
I might tell you something. You know what is it?
What?
I'm gonna leave. I run away.
What?
Run away.
Hey! That's unfair! My gosh! I have to load my gun! Maybe loading my gun would do good. Oh my gosh, this gun sometimes. Hey! Hey, how come you always get the bigger guns?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Phew! Ah! Hey, stop! Oh no, he's gonna kill me. You only hit the camera.
A giant bullet, one hit, you're out.
Wow!
Shoot you. Might turn to a zombie. It's my dog, so I get it now, baby. Always lose. You make it weak. But now, I'm gonna get my dog. he can't run from me. So I know where does my dog go. I just give him there. Oh yeah, I put him here. I don't forget. My mom is so crazy. Hey, doggy, come to Papa. You're mine. You go free. I win. I'm out of business.
Okay, guys, so that's how the story ends. My twin always loses because of you. Okay, so his twin got the dog. So thanks for watching. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.